There are so many certifications available in finance that it can be confusing to choose just one. But we're here to help you understand the differences between two major courses, ACCA and CFA, and help you decide which one is right for you. ACCA and CFA are two of the most highly respected and widely recognized professional qualifications in the finance and accounting industry. Both offer excellent career prospects and are highly sought after by employers. However, they have different focuses, formats, and requirements.
ACCA focuses on accounting, finance, and business management. Awarded by the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, a UK based professional body. It consists of 13 exams across 3 levels: applied knowledge, applied skills, and strategic professional, covering a broad range of topics including financial accounting, management accounting, corporate and business law, taxation, audit, and assurance. On the other hand, CFA focuses on investment analysis and portfolio management, awarded by the CFA Institute, a US based membership association.
It consists of 3 levels of exams, covering topics like ethics, financial reporting and analysis, corporate finance, equity investments, fixed income, derivatives, alternative investments, and portfolio management. Let's break down the key differences between ACCA and CFA. Number 1. Duration and flexibility. ACCA is designed with flexibility in mind, allowing candidates to tailor their studies to fit around their professional commitments. Typically, it takes about 3 to 4 years to complete the ACCA qualification. Candidates can choose to study either full-time or part-time and have the option to take breaks between exams if necessary. This flexibility helps individuals balance their work and study commitments effectively. Conversely, the CFA program is more rigorous and can also take 3 to 4 years to complete. Candidates must pass each level sequentially before moving on to the next. Level 1 exams are offered twice a year, while Level 2 and Level 3 are available once a year. This structured progression ensures that candidates build a solid foundation before tackling more advanced topics. However, it also requires a significant investment of time and effort for each level, as progression depends on passing the preceding exam. Number 2. Focus and scope. ACCA emphasizes on accounting, financial reporting, and management accounting. It provides a comprehensive education in accounting, finance, and business management. In contrast, CFA concentrates on investment analysis and portfolio management, while ACCA offers a broad qualification in various aspects of finance and business. CFA is a specialized program dedicated specifically to investment management. Number 3. Global recognition. ACCA is globally recognized by regulatory bodies, employers, and universities. It is especially esteemed in countries that adhere to international financial reporting standards. Its focus on international accounting standards makes ACCA a top choice for those pursuing global career opportunities in accounting and finance. In contrast, the CFA designation is highly esteemed within the investment industry and is recognized by major financial institutions. The CFA credential is widely respected and can significantly boost career prospects in the finance sector. Number 4. Career opportunities. ACCA opens doors to roles such as financial accountant, auditor, tax advisor, and financial analyst in various sectors. CFA leads to roles like financial analyst, portfolio manager, research analyst, risk manager, and investment banker, mainly in investment banking and asset management. Number 5. Exam structure and difficulty level. ACCA exams are computer-based and can be scheduled throughout the year. They mainly feature multiple choice questions, though some papers also include written sections. Candidates often face the challenge of covering a broad range of content, necessitating careful preparation and effective time management. On the other hand, CFA exams are held annually in June and include multiple choice questions and item sets. The Level 1 exam tests candidates' knowledge and understanding, while Level 2 and 3 evaluate their ability to apply concepts in practical situations. The CFA exams are renowned for their difficulty and demand extensive preparation. Number 6. Financial investment. Pursuing ACCA involves costs such as registration fees, annual subscription, fees, study materials, and exam fees for each paper. The total expense can be based on your chosen study, method, and the number of attempts required to pass the exams. For the CFA program, costs include registration fees, program enrollment fees, curriculum fees, and exam fees for each level. Like ACCA, the overall cost can differ depending on factors such as study materials and the need for exam details. Number 7. Professional experience. CFA requires a minimum of 4 years of professional work experience in investment decision making, while ACCA requires 3 years of relevant work experience. Number 8. Eligibility. To enroll in ACCA, candidates must have completed their 12th grade or equivalent. To enroll in CFA, candidates must have a bachelor's degree or be in their final year of study. In some cases, candidates without a bachelor's degree can also enroll. Which one is the right choice for you? It depends on your preferences and professional goals. Choose CFA if you wish to develop your skills in financial analysis and equity research. It's ideal if you enjoy analyzing companies' operational and financial information and identifying investment opportunities. Choose ACCA if you want to work in accounting, financial management, auditing, and taxation. It's perfect if you enjoy preparing accounts, implementing internal controls, and managing finance and accounting divisions. You can also pursue both CFA and ACCA to enhance your CV. The cost of completing both courses is almost the same. We hope this comparison helps you decide which path to take in your finance study. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more finance insights. Don't forget to check out the other videos for more career guidance and finance tips.